Have you ever wanted to create YouTube videos, but didn't have the time or skills to do it? Well, now you can use artificial intelligence to make the process easier than ever before. Let's face it, video creation can be a daunting task. From scripting to filming to editing, there's a lot to do. But what if I told you that there's an AI-powered tool that can help you with all of it? This is Pictory.AI, an AI-powered video creation tool that can help you create professional-looking videos in a matter of minutes. With Pictory.AI, you can create videos for a variety of purposes, such as product demos, tutorials, or even YouTube videos. So how does Pictory.AI work? It uses AI algorithms to analyze your script and then automatically generates visuals to match. You can also choose from a range of templates and styles to customize your video further. And the best part? Pictory.AI does all of this in a matter of minutes, so you don't have to spend hours editing your footage. Wait, there's more. If you click the referral link in the video description, you can get started on Pictory.AI for free. That's right, you can start creating professional-looking videos without spending a dime. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and start creating amazing videos with Pictory.AI and Canva. And don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. Of course, a great video needs a great thumbnail. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is a graphic design tool that allows you to create eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube videos. With Canva, you can choose from a range of templates and customize them to match your branding. And there you have it. With Pictory.AI and Canva, you can create professional-looking YouTube videos in no time. So why wait? Start creating your own videos today and share your message with the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.